Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In this video I want to show you how you can scalp the market for long hours without fear of spikes. It's a very simple strategy. If you can, for those that attended my or enrolled in my 1-week mentorship program, the one I offered for $10, and I believe they are really making some good use of it because the strategy is working like mad. Honestly guys, I'm telling you guys, so they will understand better what I'm going to show you guys right now. So let me just show you guys a little that you can just learn and apply to you what you already have, and it will help you see good profits in your trading journey, especially if you really want to scalp the market, because there are traders, there's something you need to understand. You must not be scalping and catching spikes. It's not compulsory. You can just stick to scalping the market, buying on crash and selling on boom, or you can just stick to catching spikes. But if you can do both of them, it's still good. Just try to avoid confusion, but a single strategy should work for both of them. A good strategy should work for both of them. But yet still, there are people that would want to stick to maybe just selling boom, that they don't want to catch spikes, and buying crash, while the others would want to trade the spikes. So this particular videos, I'm not going to show you how to trade the spikes. I want to show you how you can trade against spikes, the best areas, the best setups that can guarantee that you trade against spikes successfully without fear, and you can scalp the market for long hours. Okay, so we are here on this crash 1000 index, and on the daily time frame you can see the market has changed character. From it was previously bearish, and there's a change of character right here, so we're expecting the market to buy to the upside. See, this way market changed character, and it's now it pulled back and it's continuing. If you understand our continuation strategy, you will know what is really happening right here, that the market is going to buy up to a certain point somewhere like here. It's going to buy. All right, so now since the market is bullish, we'll look for some buying opportunities. Although within the buying opportunities, the chart, we can see good selling opportunities too. So let's go down to the 4-hourly time frame. Let's go to the 4-hourly time frame. Meanwhile, take note that we have a key level right here. We have a key level right here. I may not be marking all this right now, but I believe you know how to do that. If you do not understand or don't know how to mark out key levels and draw trend lines in the market, I advise that you watch there are some videos. I have done some videos about that on this channel, so just go through my videos and you'll find the ones that have really specifically taken time to explain how to mark out key levels, and also resistance and supports, trend lines, so it will help you understand the strategy better. All right, so you can see, like now we can pull a trend line and draw we have something like this. We can have something like this to confirm the bullish movement of the market. You can see this is a high, a lower high, a higher high, sorry, higher low. This is a high high, this is another higher low right here. And if we pull a trend line right here, we'll also see that the market is buying to the upside. You can see the market is buying to the upside, and we can expect the market to probably be targeting this resistive trend line right here on a higher time frame. The market should be targeting this particular trend line right here. So because of that, let's look for opportunities. So I want to show you some setups that gave me over $500 in the past 2 days in profit. So let me go to the 4-hourly time frame. Let's go to the 4-hourly time frame, guys. All right, so on the 4-hourly time frame, you can see you can clearly see the movement of the market creating higher highs and higher lows here. After there was a change of character, indicating the market is actually bullish currently. The market is currently bullish, and the setup we had should be somewhere around here. That setup we had should be somewhere around here, because there is a key level. Just take note of this. As you go down the time frame, do not forget to be marking out your key levels. Do not forget to be marking out your key levels, our resistance and support, strong resistance and support zones. As you go down the time frame, keep on marking them, because they will guide you. They will help you know where to expect the market to reverse, where to expect the market to react. It will help you a whole lot. You can see this is a very strong zone here in the market, and there's another zone somewhere around here. There's another zone right here, because you can see the market had been buying from this spot previously. Then it broke out and came back to retest below, and you see. Now let's go to where I saw that setup yesterday, because it will really help you a lot if you understand it. Let me go to the 15 minutes time frame anyway. Yeah, I don't want this video to be too long. I would have added so much details to what I would want to explain right now. All right, so a couple of days ago in my mentorship group, some of my students spotted this movement here. This is a continuation pattern, and you can see after the market broke out of this, our target is always here, and you see the market bought right from here to this zone, and it still went ahead. Market bought up to this level. You know, actually when they found this setup, when they saw this setup, the market was somewhere around. The market already broken out and retested. So I think they saw the market somewhere around there, and I told them nobody should enter the trade until the market, because there's a change of character. The market created a change of character at this point. So and since the market closed again after it broke out, still came back to sell into the trend line, nobody should enter a trade, except if you can enter a trade right now. Make sure your stop loss is just below right here. You know what I'm saying? So instead of entering a trade carelessly, you make sure you place your stop loss below this recent swing low, because I least expect the market to get there. You know, so, and you can see the market never got to this spot. So whoever entered the market around this point, because personally I was waiting for the market to come and close above this particular high that created the change of character. You see, and closing above here, then I'll put my stop loss right here. And after this spike, the spike came down, it couldn't get to that where I set my stop loss. Then it continued the buys. You can see the sweet buys to the upside. So this particular trade alone gave over $200. This particular trade alone gave over $200. So if you can always wait for a breakout, just wait for the breakout and wait for the market to do a kind of a pullback. You know, pull back to, then you put your stop loss. Put your stop loss below where you have the recent swing low. Put your stop loss here, like here. Put your stop loss here. Then there's guarantee the market will buy. No matter the spikes that will come, it will not take you out of the market. You know, so but that really depends on your account size. If you have a reasonable account size, and then maybe instead of because sometimes why many people lose trades is because of fear. You are scared of the market will get to your TP. You know, the market one spike might just get to your TP and wipe it. It's because you are not even sure the market is ready to change direction. You know, when you are sure the market is about to change direction, set your stop loss and don't be scared. No matter how the market would want to spike, it is very, very unlikely for it to get to where you have your stop loss. So the market will most likely continue to the upside until it gets to your TP, which is this point. You know, that was one setup, and there's another setup we got right here. Because if you understand these things, guys, you'll be seeing setups on a regular basis. I think I posted one. Okay, the one I posted yesterday in my Telegram channel was the one I bought on Boom. Was it Boom 300 or Boom 500? I caught some spikes, sweet spikes. It didn't take me out to 30 minutes. I made over $100 very easily. All right, so here, see the same thing happened here. See the breakout happened here. Then you can put a stop loss right here. See the market got to this trend line, then tried to reverse, it couldn't. But the only thing you can just notice right here is that the market created this is a chart pattern right here. See, let me show you guys something. That's why I tell you, as you keep on going from time frame to time frame, keep on marking strong resistance and support zone. You can see the market bought from here, bought along this point, tried to sell from here, and try to buy again from here. So this is a key level too. This is a strong zone in the market. When the market broke above this zone, once the market bought above this zone, there was guarantee the market was going to buy. And since the market got to the trend line, it couldn't proceed to break below this particular key level, this level here again. The next thing it did was to give a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. If you can see, there's a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern right here. After that, the market bought massively to the upside. The market bought massively to the upside. And my target was actually this point here. This point here. Sorry, let me take off this. My target was somewhere around here. That's my first target. That was my first target, and it gave me some good profit. Then my next target was this particular key level I marked, because I knew the market must get there based on what I had previously here. In our continuation strategy, we know where the market will possibly be heading to. You know, this is always the first TP. This is always guaranteed. Then the next one is also guaranteed, you know, in most cases. So I always first of all take profit here, because first of all, if I use a 5.0 lot size on crash 1000 and trade from here to here, this is over $100 so far, guys. So that was it. That was another setup I saw. So if you can always spot this kind of setup, just look for, the market has to be buying previously. The secret is this. Let me just share with you guys. The market has to be buying previously. You need to see the market buying previously, buying and buying and buying, and then later you start seeing the market doing some kind of stuff like this, trying to correct. During the correction, you see some kind of lower highs and lower lows. Then immediately try to join a trend line. Wait for a breakout. Once you see that this has happened, guys, once you see that this has happened, wait for the breakout to happen. On the breakout, wait for the market to come back to where it had bought previously, like this. Just like the same thing we did in the reversal strategy, but this one is a little different. Enter from here, target this particular spot here, this high. The market will most likely get there, and you bag your profit as soon as you can. So that is how it works, guys. It's very simple. It's very simple. There's another one here you can see. We have another one here. Let me show you guys. There's another one here. You can see the market sold massively to the downside, and we had this, and see the breakout. Market broke out of here, and for the fact that it's breaking out from here and still closed above, we can still just put our stop loss somewhere here, and it never came back. Market just bought targeted, and this is our target. Like I used to tell you, this is the target. The market bought up to this point. This is massive profit, guys. That's massive profit, guys. And there's another one happening here. This information I'm giving you is what people pay money to get. So just make sure you use it judiciously. Just use it judiciously, guys. See another one here. This is another setup that is vomiting money for people right now. This one is vomiting money for people right now. Look at this. You can just decide to put this somewhere here. It doesn't really matter, you can just decide to do something like this, because the other one looks like a fade out, You can see. So I expect the market to get to this particular zone here, and it's already buying. It will continue buying till it gets to this zone. So it's as simple as that, guys. It's as simple. The only thing this market might possibly do right now is to maybe it can decide to spike. It can decide to spike down to somewhere here, to somewhere, then from here it continues buying to this particular spot. That is what it can possibly do. Else it might just continue buying to the upside. So if you enter at the right time, like when it broke out at this point and closed above here, you can decide to enter the market at this point and put a stop loss right here. Put a stop loss somewhere here. If you see that, you can see the market has been buying around this point. Market has been buying around this point, so this is a strong support zone, and in that case, if market can go below it, that's when we confirm the market will continue, has changed direction, will continue selling to the downside. But since it can't go below here, just allow your stop loss to be here, then watch the market buy to the upside and give you profit. Guys, if you count, this is 15 minutes time frame. This is 15 minutes time frame. When I tell you can scalp for long hours, I say the truth, because it works, And if you can count like from here to here, how many 15-minute candlesticks do we have? Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 15 minutes times 10. How many hours would that be? You count here too. How many hours would that be? So this strategy works very well, guys. If you can use it, you will make some good money from it. Meanwhile, there's a link in the description of this video that will take you to my Telegram channel. If you want to contact me for a one-on-one mentorship, then you need to visit that Telegram channel. From there, you see my direct contact, and you contact me so that I'll put you through. I'll guide you. Even if you know nothing about trading, just contact me so we can just negotiate and we start. I'll teach you from scratch, guys. I'll teach you from scratch. Or if you have already mastered, if you're already into the system, you have a fair knowledge of trading, then you can just pay for a strategy mastery bootcamp one-on-one. Then I will put you through. Within the next 1 week, you should be done. You should be able to make some profit and be cashing out on a regular basis, guys. This video is already too long. I want to end it here. Meanwhile, like this video if you've not done that yet. Subscribe to this channel. If you're not yet a member of this channel, please do that. Subscribe to this channel. Share your thoughts in the comment section, and do not forget to like once again. Stay blessed, guys, and peace out.